Alright guys, so I got from Science Interactive, right? My kid came in today. I got a counting tray here with the biohazard box here to put in my needles and dirty syringes. So I separate everything here just to categorize them so it's easier for me to access, right? So you get your PPE here, your goggles, your gloves, your mask, and nitro gloves and your a little outfit that you wear just for protection and glove cover or not arm cover to cover on your arm and the forms in case you need to order more and yeah, other accessories. So let's get to this. And then you also your weighing count. It weighs how much your grams are, how much you're doing, right? So let's get down to business here. So you have your sugar pills or your solution placebo tablets. So placebo tablets basically just made of sugar, right? So you have your made up pills here. There's a couple different kinds. There's gonna be a few. Aspirin, supposed to be aspirin, 400 milligrams, placebo tablets. So 400 milligrams of aspirin, and then Benazepril, basically cough medicine. And then let's see your other ones here. Mock IND tablets. I'm not sure what those are, but I'll definitely look them up. And then you have your other medications here, supposed to be just oral furosemide. Ooh, furosemide, water pills. Okay. Placebo tablets. Okay. And then you have your other pills here. Suspension placebo tablets. Okay, there's a few of those. And then you have your Vicodin placebo tablets. Okay, so basically, pretend to believe these are the actual medication, but they're actually made of placebo tablets, so they're made of sugar. And then you have your placebo liquid ibuprofen. Okay, and then you have your other. Well, there's these alcohol swabs for your little assignments to keep it sterile, keep it clean. And then you have your cherry syrup, 230 milliliters. And then you also have your alcohol prep pads. Yep, there's other stuff here. And then your other placebo tablets, 50. And then you also cream. Other things to look up to. Here you go. And then your other ones here to keep when you do your assignments here. So these are all the mixing stuff for your assignments. And then your tools, your okay, so you have these strainers here, little tubes here to help you for mixing. Definitely. Your little trays. Mortar pestle. And then your tubes, cups, and then also your glass stirrers. handle those. Alright, just because they're more, I guess you can say they're more sterile, more cleaner. I separate this way so that it just makes it easier for me to access them. And then you have your syringes, easy syringes for liquid items. And your clean ones, clean cups for when you're putting in pills, so that they're sterile. Liquid for bottles for liquids. And then you have these other items here on the side here. It just helps you with these here are clean steriles for not steriles, clean. And then also you have this here. I'm still trying to figure out what these 2 milliliters in 1 by 100. So you get all these here with your little kit. There's other items here. Let's see what gauges are those? Lux syringes, okay, 5 milliliter. No, it doesn't say great gauges. But these are all for your. Ooh, it's kind of scary. Not gonna lie. You have your other syringes here. Freeze, wise dice. Okay, so these all come in your little package here, and so this is my inventory for now. I will learn as I go, and so I have it separated like this, so it's easier for me to access my little laboratory experience for my class. Enjoy.